Welcome back, everybody, for round 3 of working on the boat. I think it's round 3. Anyhow, so what we concluded was that this wire that has a inline fuse, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it has an inline fuse right there. That wire burnt out, and so now what we have done is we have replaced the alternator and replaced that inline fuse. $80 for that wire that goes from there and connects in down there. And we tested it. This is the old one that came off. You see it's got a 100 amp fuse in there. Didn't really look like it was burnt, but when you test the continuity of it, there's no continuity in it. And so now we have the new wire on, the new alternator, and we're getting ready to crank it up, and hopefully we're not going to blow anything else.
Poke that alternator stud up there. If it beeps, if it's not, that's not bad. Okay, I'm getting worried now. All right, next thing, ground it. You see that shiny bolt you stuck in the bottom on the alternator down there? Touch it. All right, it's good. It's got ground.
Well, let me ask you this.
It may have a diode. What does this go to?
The electronics on the front of the boat, or on the it goes to the fuse panel. So now we're wiring the batteries back up the way they were before, cranking batteries to the cranking and to the fuse panel. And the trolling battery only has the trolling motor hooked up, and we have the cranking battery hooked up to everything else.
But it keeps it from going over there.
So we put the new alternator on, the new wire on, and we still have the same issue. So we're back trying to figure out what's causing the voltage issue. So we're back at it, and we, after burning out the new $80 wire, we went to AutoZone and got a 100 amp breaker box. Took the wires loose, cleaned all the wires off. There was black goo that was on the connectors. We cleaned those off and put this on, and now it is charging, and we're getting 14.5 volts to the battery like we're supposed to. And so I don't know what to tell you. We actually bought a inline fuse also at AutoZone that looks like that, and we have took our wire off and basically rigged one because the parts place at the boat place is closed, and so we're going to put this on temporarily until I can get another wire. But I think we solved the problem by cleaning off the connections, or we jiggled the right wire or something. I think we're going on the other side of the lake. There'll be less wind over there.
I think we probably should have launched at the other side of the lake.
Probably. promise today is not the day you want to fall in. Red, it rattles, it's lipless, it's perfect.
Finger's too cold, I can't even grab a hook.
I should have brought my little buddy heater and set it in here and turned it on. Then we'd be done set the boat on fire.
You're like, how warm do you want it? How far will it go up?
Be all well and good till the boat caught on fire.
Wish I could back the hell out of it, run off with the line. Lovely. Get one?
I think I got him.
Oh yeah.
He nailed it as soon as it hit the water too.
We get to see a bass today?
We get to
Is
see
that
a
a bass?
today. No, he's a bass.
Well, so how big is he?
He's about a pound.
I don't know, rattle
That's what they look like.
how light he is. He's probably legal too. 12 inches.
He is. He might weigh 3/4 of a pound.
I'm coming back.
Oh yeah.
I don't like cleaning this fish today.
No, it's too cold. But there's a little
He got a
fish.
spot on his tail.
We caught one. Yeah, he's got a spot on his tail.
That's weird. Man, peacock bass got a spot on their tails like that. It's like trying to inbred them with a peacock bass.
No. Spot. They had a crappie. I think it was Baby Ross. Had a crappie. Take the.
I got one.
Dang, that's big one.
Hey, Spot, you just caught that one. We might have found something over here.
Might have.
God.
Hey, yours is bigger than mine. That's not fair. Yours might weigh 1.5 pounds.
Cast over, catch another one. You know there's something over there around.
Well, you don't want to catch them all. When you get him unhooked off the hook, bring him up here for the GoPro. Yeah, I think yours is definitely bigger than mine. Yours will go at least 1 pound, if not more.
He's fun to catch anyhow.
Yeah.
You got a little spot on his tail. See that? It ain't dark as yours. That's weird. You've seen that before. They're light colored. I guess they're coming out of winter. They're probably from them being in the deep water.
Yeah. Only 2 foot up there, though. Oh!
Well, I'm hooked to you. I ain't gonna get away.
Don't run off nowhere. When you get it out, leave it in there.
Is it gonna come out?
It's out. Maybe that bolt's coming out. Laid.
That's cold though.
It's still gonna be cold though.